Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Lucky from CapacityBay.org and I'm your instructor for today's topic. In our previous session, we started with variables and simple data type, which we are going to continue from in this session. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Let's explore some ways you can use string. The first is changing case in a string with method. A method is an action that a Python can perform on a piece of data. So I'll open our IDLE share and then demonstrate that name equal to either list print name dot title. Here, what the dot title here does, it tells Python to make the first letter of each word a capital letter. So let me run this code so we'll see. So what happened here is the first letter of each word are in capital letters. Other useful methods are the upper and then the lower methods. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate the upper method. The upper method tells Python to make every word in uppercase, while the lower method tells Python to make everything in the lowercase. So the next on our list is using variable in strings. Here we want two variables to represent first name and last name respectively. Then combine these values to display someone's full name. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. First name, first underscore name, either last underscore name equal to Lovelace full name. Go to F quotes braces first name, first underscore name, space another set of braces, last underscore name. Then we'll close our quotes, then we'll print. So now, to insert a variable's value into a string, place the letter F, like you see here, F before the quotation mark, then put braces around the name or names of any variable you want inside the string, and Python will replace each variable with its value when the string is displayed. Let me run this so we'll see. Alright, we should see Ada Lovelace. So instead of this first name and last name to display, the value of the first name and last name was used to replace the first name and last name here, which we are seeing here in the Untitled place. The F or the F string, or you can call it format, is used to format string by replacing the name of any variable inside the braces with the value, like I said earlier. Okay, you can do a lot more with the F string. Let me use the F string to print a simple message. F equal to hello. I'll modify this and put this in braces. Okay, close quotation mark. And when we run this, we are supposed to say hello Ada Lovelace. 1. I could sing here, hello Ada Lovelace. Okay, the F string or the format string was introduced in Python 3.6. So if you have a older version, you are advised to use the format method, which I'll just go ahead and demonstrate for us. I'll clear out the print statement and then modify the full name. Okay, this is quotation mark, open and close braces, space, open and close braces, quotation mark, dot format. Okay, open bracket, first name, first underscore name, comma, space, last underscore name. So when I print full name, full underscore name, we should see the same output as before. Here we are, Ada Lovelace. The next is adding white space to string with tab or new line. In programming, white space refers to any non-printing characters such as tab or end-of-line symbols. You can use white space to organize your output so it's easier for users to read. To add a tab, you can use the /T and then the /N to add the new line. So let me show this here. Print, okay, quotation mark, languages, new line, Python, new tab, let's say C, new line again, new line Java, then another new line C++. Okay. Oops. When I run this, we are supposed to see languages in one line, Python and new tab in one line, C and Java in another line. As we see here, we see languages in one line, Python and C are in the same line, but we have a space here for the tab. Java and the C++ are in another line. So the next on our list is striping white space. Extra space can be confusing in programming, so to remove them, you can use the strip method. Let me go ahead and show that. Name equal to put space Python, close, print name dot L strip. The L strip here is to remove the white space by the left. There is another strip, which is the arrow strip, to remove white spaces by the right, and then there is a strip, just the simple strip method, to remove both the right and the left. So before, okay, I'll clean out this so we see first. Print name. I want us to see, as we can see here, there is a space here. So let me modify the print, putting the L strip. Okay. Once you run, you see there's no space here anymore. So I will demonstrate the strip method for us. To remove this, you use the R strip, but I want to remove both at a time, so I will remove this L and then use this normal simple strip method to remove both at once. Okay, as we see, there's no space at the front nor the back. So that's that for that. And that will be all for this session. If you have any questions, drop that in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon to get notified whenever we drop a new video. See you in the next session.